Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hagasi palay jang katayo kata kasantri ujuliu arajar arpusan peladan uwe ubar jela ubla persyang bantu kuai nakasong berni jeng uwe ilong kemi ibede kuai habasa sosa Ïewduh hendak Nongïew kibaya dan lang kira yok bat yu hendak kat ba uwe urang ba udang bat yau ni ubar jela uniu Nongtuh ula ed hapatlen na jang bat ula se yak ed dakakti bat hakata kapor dan benut tur Shuh bat ulalat Phet dak basuk Kakum gajing atho Nongïew kila ong ba ula tu kuai nang ni na yo lalai sin. Shuh benginya kendu Nongïew ki bam tre ban keren ha kamera. Klasa priang ke video jong uniu bar jella ha por bagi yo bat por bu usai yak ed na patlun. Ha bening kong ki badan lang ki nang mut bu usai tiar nasyadin hari usai penban dak ed bat ki ha ban Phet Krad syarut. Kini la ja ha building bethamai ha basa saw.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.